Spring AI Chat Client explained step by step. Episode 3 of Spring AI for Enterprise Java. One seam, one object, chat client. Everything else in this series runs through it. Your code on top, the Spring AI abstraction in the middle, the model underneath. It starts with chatclient.create, then prompt. Prompt opens the request. Nothing is sent yet, we're just building it. User attaches the question. Call is the trigger. This is the moment the request actually leaves your code. Content hands you back a string. 4 calls, prompt opens it, user asks it, call sends it, content gives you the answer. Everything left of call is your code. Call is the one moment you cross into the model, and Spring AI is the seam that makes what's on the other side swappable. Remember that. Episode 4 pays it off. There are 2 kinds of messages. System sets the role and the rules. Here, a harmless pirate persona from the course lab. User is the actual question. That's the split. System is the role, user is the ask. Same chain, one line added, system before user. That's all it takes to steer the model's behavior on every request you make. After call, you have a choice. Content gives you just the words, a plain string, nothing else. ChatResponse gives you the whole envelope. The text is still in there. Get result, get output, get text. But now there is more you can read. Call get metadata on the chat response, and you get a chat response metadata. 2 things worth knowing right now. Get model tells you which model answered. Get usage tells you what it cost. Usage exposes 3 methods: get prompt tokens, get completion tokens, get total tokens. Prompt tokens, completion tokens, total tokens, 3 numbers, 0 extra code. This is your cost meter from line 1. Wire that usage object into a metric, and you have per call cost tracking before you have shipped a single feature. Governance built in, not bolted on. 1 chat client, 1 seam, and observability lands for free. Next, the same chat client call, any provider, episode 4. Tutorial at thestackunderflow.com/springai/chatclient-explained. Spring AI moves fast. Update notes live at thestackunderflow.com/springai.